Alright guys, so today we've got the Wiha Bicut Supercut compound cutters. Supposed to have this power button here, and it says 2 times cutting power. So we're gonna open them up here and see how they work. I already cut this edge so I could get them out because it's hard to do with one hand. But I might have to cut it again. Oh no, there we go. We got it. There it is. Alright. So these are just like any other diagonal cutters when they're in normal operation. They open just like that around the main hinge. You can see the main hinge here. But these have got a power button. So the way that this works, these grips feel really good, by the way. I like that a lot. I like that curve, that feels nice. But so the way these work is they cut normally as long as the power button is not pressed in. They cut just like any other diagonal cutters. But now, whenever you push this power button in, they turn into a compound diagonal cutter. So if you watch this hinge, the hinge no longer turns. So what that's doing is that's giving you a longer point of rotation, longer lever per se, and it changes angle. So watch these open now that I pushed that power button. See how far out this leg is kicked? That is the compound action. So you're supposed to get 2 times more cutting power by being able to change the angle where this rotates. So instead of rotating around the hinge, now it's rotating around this pin. So we'll put it back together. To put it back in normal mode, you push this side. And now it opens just like normal pliers. Again, it is rotating around the hinge. So then we'll push the power button on the back, and if you focus on the hinge, it's rotating mostly around this pin. So again, these are the Wiha Bicut Supercut compound cutters with 2 times more cutting power because of the power button. So we will post another video showing these in action. But so far, the cutting edge looks great. I like the style of hinge. I like the double beveled back. Should get in spots pretty good. I like the shape of that hinge right there. That's nice. And the grips feel really good. I like that curve. I can feel when I'm squeezing these, I can feel the pressure being applied. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description where you can get these at. And hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. And we've got more Wiha tools to come. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos. And y'all have a great day.